most pressing need of this institution at this time is the infrastructure as it relates to the entire building itself. This complex was built in 1938, and I think from then the first time they ever had some major repair, it was in 1988 currently, during Gilbert. What has been happening, the school, if you look closely at the main building that hosts infant 3 to grade 4, the 4 pillars that have been eaten out by termites. We haven't had a proper canteen facility, and more so where we have our literacy and numeracy program, we have to partially abandon that based on the structure, debris falling from the rooftop and poor lighting in the main classroom, which affects the children's visibility, especially when it rains. And basically, if you notice, the classrooms, they don't have any partition, so the noise nuisance is a deter or a barrier to students learning. So we have a number of projects. We have our literacy and numeracy project. We have our school feeding, our computer lab, which is down, due to the poor electricity, and also our library. So we would really appreciate if Corporate Jamaica would really assist us in getting these projects going.
If I could fix anything at my school, that would be the classrooms, the library, and the computer lab. It is important that these should be fixed because the classrooms are poorly lit, and because of the poor lighting, when it rains, the classrooms gets very dark, and this can affect the students' eyesight.